guys, today I'm going to be baking and reviewing the Trader Joe's Is Sedimentary My Dear cookie, the little mason jar set. And I know you're thinking like, girl, that cannot be hard to make. It's literally just a mason jar. But okay, I used to be good at baking, but then I got older and now I don't have like that much common sense when it comes to doing things that everyone can do. So you're gonna watch me make these cookies. I'm excited because you literally only need butter, an egg, and some water to add to this, and then you're good to go. I don't know what type of cookie it is. It just said on the packaging it's layers of sugar, brown sugar, peanut butter chips, candy coated chocolate drop, oats and coffee, graham cracker crumbs, and flour. So that's a lot. Like when I make cookies from scratch, I do not add this many ingredients. So I have my egg and my butter, which is not softened yet. It's still like really hard. I don't know why I just went like that. I might have to microwave this. So I'm gonna put it all in the bowl, and I'm reading the directions, and apparently, sad part, you have to leave it in the fridge for 2 hours after you mix it before you bake it, which is sad. They don't give you that many instructions, but how hard can it be? Let's open this up and get started. All right, so I'm cracking my egg. Oh my goodness. I used to be so bad at this when I was smaller. I used to always say that I could like crack the eggs when I was like 6 years old, and then my parents would let me do it, and then it would be a disaster. So I'm kind of afraid of doing this, but ended up really good. Okay, this butter would literally not soften, so I just put it in the microwave for 15 seconds, and voila, it's softened. 2 tablespoons of water. I don't know how much a tablespoon is. I don't know if I should just eyeball this or find a tablespoon. Okay, so I actually found half a tablespoon. So I'm going to fill this up with 2 tablespoons of water, and I'll be right back. So I am mixing the 3 ingredients together. The butter is just so annoying. This is why I like using electric mixers, but I just don't want to clean it up today. So I'm going to struggle with this until it is completely mixed.
Okay, Shreya, did you put the butter in yet?
Yeah.
Darn it! Just keep mixing it, Shreya. Like, it'll do it if you keep mixing it.
Okay, the butter literally would not, like, do its thing. So I moved it to the electric mixer, and it still looks really bad. But I don't want to start over, so I think I'm gonna add this to the mixture anyway and see how it goes. Okay, this actually is really embarrassing. I swear I'm not bad at baking. I'm just a dumbass today. Here we go. Okay, so I finally got all the contents into the mixer. It took a while because it was all pretty stuck in there, so I had to get a spoon and get it out, but let's mix it and hope that it turns out well. Oh my goodness, yay, it did actually solve my problem. It smells so good in here. It smells like coffee and peanut butter. I'm gonna go and put this on a cookie pan, but it looks so good. Okay, this is what it looks like after I put all the dough on. It was actually a lot harder than I wanted it to be. The dough was really sticky, but I think it looked pretty good. I don't know what type of cookies they are because there's literally so much crap in them, but hopefully they taste good. So I'm gonna put them in the refrigerator for 2 hours. Okay, I put these in the fridge for 2 hours and it didn't really do anything. They're just cold and hard now. Yeah, I'm gonna put them in the oven and see if they do anything. Alright guys, here's what they look like after I baked them for 16 minutes. They actually look good, kind of. There's just so much stuff in it that it just can't look pretty, but it looks good, and we're gonna try one. So guys, seems like it's a good consistency, so try it. I don't give away my thought too soon.
Peanut butter? Did you put peanut butter? Yeah, it tastes good.
Okay, it is good. It's a good cookie. It's just the coffee flavor kind of takes over everything, and all I can taste is coffee and peanut butter. But it's good. I do like it. I would not purchase this again. I would just make my own cookies because I think those taste better. Okay, so I did not film an outro, but now that I've had a couple hours to think about it, I want to kind of reflect on my cookie baking experience. I did not think that they were that good. The texture was really cakey, and I think it would have been better without the coffee flavoring because the coffee just kind of overtook everything. And I just had another bite right now before I filmed this just to make sure what I'm saying is what I really think. And yes, I would not buy it again. I love the cookie mix in a jar idea. I just think they should focus on more simple things like just a plain chocolate chip cookie or snickerdoodle instead of just throwing a million ingredients into a mason jar and being like, okay, that's good. So yeah, I don't recommend it, but my best friend made a bunch of like homemade cookie mason jar thingies, and those were really good. So I love the mason jar idea. I just don't like this particular one from Trader Joe's. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.